Do you say this sentence? Did you went to work yesterday?
I think many English learners say that. But it sounds wrong, right?
Exactly. The correct sentence is, did you go to work yesterday? Not, did you went? Say, did you go?
So after did, I use the simple verb. Go, not went.
Yes. Today, you will learn how to use do, does, and did in real English conversations. And we will practice together in this podcast lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will know 3 important things. Number 1, when to use do. Number 2, when to use does. Number 3, when to use did.
And we will not only study rules, we will use the grammar in real conversations.
Exactly. You will hear examples, correct common mistakes, answer mini quizzes, and repeat useful sentences for speaking practice.
So listen carefully. When Irene says repeat, pause if you need more time and say the sentence out loud.
By the end of this lesson, you will know 3 important things. Number 1, when to use do. Number 2, when to use does. Number 3, when to use did.
And we will not only study rules, we will use the grammar in real conversations.
Exactly. You will hear examples, correct common mistakes, answer mini quizzes, and repeat useful sentences for speaking practice.
So listen carefully. When Irene says repeat, pause if you need more time and say the sentence out loud.
Mark, today we have a small story for our learners. You have a job interview.
A job interview? That sounds stressful.
It is only a role play. You want to work in a small travel company. I will help you practice the questions.
Good. I want to answer correctly. I do not want to make grammar mistakes in the interview.
Let's begin with an easy question. Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I does.
Stop. That is the first mistake. I asked, do you speak English every day? You answered, yes, I does.
So what should I say?
Say, yes, I do. Let's try again. Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I do.
Good. Do you work well with other people?
Yes, I do. I like working with the team.
Excellent. Now listen to this question. Does your brother work in an office?
Yes, he do.
Stop again. This is another common mistake. With he, she, and it, we say does. So the correct answer is yes, he does.
Okay. With I, you, we, and they, I use do. With he, she, and it, I use does.
Exactly. Let's practice. Does your brother work in an office?
Yes, he does.
Does Irene help you with English?
Yes, she does. She helps me a lot.
Let's make this simple. Use do with I, you, we, and they.
For example, do I need a ticket? Do you speak English? Do we have a meeting today? Do they live near here?
Now use does with he, she, and it. For example, does he speak English? Does she work here? Does it cost a lot?
Important rule. After do or does, use the base verb.
Say, does she work here? Do not say, does she works here?
because does already has the es sound. So the main verb stays simple.
Correct. Positive sentence. She works here. Question. Does she work here? Repeat. Does she work here? Now, choose the correct sentence. Question 1. A. Do she work here? B. Does she work here?
The correct answer is B. Does she work here?
Question 2. A. Do they live in London? B. Does they live in London?
The correct answer is A. Do they live at London?
Question 3. A. Does he likes coffee? B. Does he like coffee?
The correct answer is B. Does he like coffee?
Remember, after does, use the simple verb. Does he like? Not does he likes. Now, let's practice past questions. In a job interview, people may ask about your past experience.
Past experience? That sounds difficult.
It is not difficult. Listen. Did you work in a hotel before?
Yes, I worked in a hotel last summer.
Good answer. Now, did you use English with customers?
Yes, I did. I used English every day.
Very good. Now, ask me a past question.
Okay. Did you work in an office before?
Stop. This is the big mistake from the beginning. You said, did you worked? But this is wrong.
Because after did, I use the base verb.
Exactly. Correct? Did you work in an office before? Not. Did you worked?
Let me try again. Did you work in an office before?
Yes, I did. I worked in an office for 2 years. Let's understand did. Use did for questions in the past.
Examples. Did you call me yesterday? Did he finish the report? Did she go to work? Did they arrive on time?
Important rule. After did, use the base verb.
Say, did you go? Not, did you went?
Say, did he finish? Not, did he finished?
Say, did she call? Not, did she called?
Now, look at the difference. Positive sentence. I went to work yesterday. Question. Did you go to work yesterday?
Positive sentence. He finished the project. Question. Did he finish the project?
Positive sentence. They arrived late. Question. Did they arrive late? Now it is time to practice speaking. Listen first. Then repeat.
Repeat. Do you speak English every day? Again, do you speak English every day?
Repeat. Does she work here? Again, does she work here?
Repeat. Does he like coffee? Again, does he like coffee?
Repeat. Did you work in a hotel before? Again, did you work in a hotel before?
Repeat. Did you use English with customers? Again, did you use English with customers?
Very good. Now let's return to the interview role play. Now I am the interviewer. Mark, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Good morning, Mark. Thank you for coming today. Do you enjoy working with people?
Yes, I do. I enjoy helping customers and working with the team.
Does your current job include customer service?
Yes, it does. I speak with customers every day.
Did you use English in your last job?
Yes, I did. I used English with tourists and hotel guests.
Did you work under pressure?
Yes, I did. Sometimes the hotel was very busy, but I stayed calm.
Excellent answer. You used do, does, and did correctly. Final review. Use do with I, you, we, and they. Example: do you speak English?
Use does with he, she, and it. Example: does she work here?
Use did for questions in the past. Example: did you work yesterday?
Remember the most important rule. After do, does, and did, use the base verb.
Say, does he work? Not, does he works? Say, did you go? Not, did you went?
Now write one sentence in the comments. Use do, does, or did. For example, did you study English today?
If you want more practice, download the free worksheet in the description and watch the next lesson. Have, has, and had in real English conversations.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and your English will get better every day.